Hi you guys, here go my vision board. So this is one of the things that I had on my vision board that have came true this year. So I had to thank God for that. And I'm gonna show you guys my new refrigerator because it was on my vision board. And it's here. So cute, cute, cute. Look at it. And honey, please, you know you ain't finna go no big. I don't know who you trying to play. So you guys, while I was so happy to get my refrigerator, we had to go to the Home Depot and get a new line for it because the copper pipe that was there was rusted out, and the guys that came to install the refrigerator could not install the water line. So Ishmael had to install it himself. This is the video that you guys is going to get ready to witness. Be blessed, you guys, and yeah, enjoy the video. I'm trying to clean this. The only thing I have to, yeah. This is the new refrigerator, and it's a 4-drawer. Don't mind my flooring. I haven't did it yet. This is my new baby. So cute, cute, cute. So this is the inscription for this thing. So we had to go to the Home Depot and get this. And while we was there, you know, I just got me a little bin and stuff. But we got this. And Ishmael just installed it. Ishmael, it's leaking! Stop! Stop! It came out! So what we doing is putting this on the back of the freezer so we could have ice in the freezer or either water or whatever. But I put this part on. Ishmael did not. And when he cut the water on, it came loose, so he gotta redo it. He gonna do it this time, not me. Yeah. So that is our Sunday. Ishmael putting this water line on the, it's an ICEMAKER line on my new baby. I told you I got Frida, I got a new refrigerator. It shot off of them.
Like,
yeah. It went out, came our way.
Give me the other thing. What are the other things at? Down outside?
You had, I gave it to you. Did you put it in your pocket? It may be because I ain't have it on there tight enough. So maybe you need to put it back on there and put it on there tight.
Hold on, babe. that.
Yeah, and then put that on there. See, I ain't even think about how to put it on there. Yeah, so that was my fault.
No, man. See, but it still come out though.
Do it again.
What the other couple now, man?
You had... Shut up, bitch, man. That was the baby's daddy.
Alright.
This is my task holding this water line. The water is pouring. So, I don't know if it's supposed to be that much or is it supposed to go down. So, but the thing that come off, the line that come off this time. Ooh. You think that's a little too much drizzle? Cause there ain't a lot of water coming out of here.
That should be good enough right there.
Okay, well you gonna cut it off and then hook it back up? All right.
It's gonna be up all day, all night.
Yeah. So from a 1 to 10, this project is fairly a 2. You just put your drill bit down there and put a hole in there and then run this line to the... Only if you already had a water line, this is a 2. But if you didn't have a water line, then this would be probably a 5. Because that thing that I gave Ishmael, this right here, pinch into your cold water line, and you just take these screws off and you put it into your cold water line where you want to be at, and then you turn this until it pitch into your water line. And they got a little black thing right here, a little rubber thing that make sure the water don't go everywhere, but only where that little needle pinches into. So this project will be a 5 if you didn't have a water line already. But by Ishmael had that copper line, we just, you see this little thing right here? We just took it off of that his line that was already there and just put this thing right here back on there. Okay, Ishmael finna hook this up. So now he just hooking it back up to the water line. And he's gonna cut the water back on. And hopefully, it don't jump off of there again. You gonna tighten it back up to that black thing. Oh, it went blurry.
Half inch.
He don't tighten this thing to the max. If it leak, I'm gonna be surprised. And we putting this on there like we ain't gotta move this whole refrigerator. Cause we gotta put our towel down. But I guess he just wanted to see that he accomplished his mission for this Sunday. So yeah, we waiting to see do it leak. So after 24 hours, Ishmael's mission was completed. We have produced ice and we don't have any leaks. So yeah, everything is well and down, you guys. I'm so proud of this dude. Be blessed, and I will see you guys on the next one.